Hi folks, welcome back. So most of the applications that we see or that we use have great UI design and best interactive animations. So interactive animations play a major role in each and every application. But the thing is, even to make a simple animation happen, we need to write a lot of code. So most of the programmers doesn't put any animations in their application. Instead of showing a layout to your user without any animation, it is better to do it with a simple animation effect like a slide in effect or a zoom in effect. So it will give much better and beautiful experience to your user. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do simple animation by just putting an XML attribute in your XML tag, and it will do the magic for you. So let's get started. So let me create the layout part. I'm going to do a time lapse for the layout, and once it's completed, I will show you how you can do the animation. Now our layout part is done. It is nothing but a card view, and inside the card view I just put two linear layout. So first one is this one, which contains a text and an icon, and the second one is this one, which contains some text that contains the details. So now I'm gonna put ID for them. So for this I'm gonna call it detail layout, and for the image view I'm gonna call it btn detail. So now we'll implement it with the Java part. I'm going to initialize it. And initially I'm going to make this thing invisible. The detailed layout will be invisible, and once we click the button, which is this one, it will become visible. So I will declare the button click listener. Here I will make it visible. So once we click the button, the detail view will become visible. So let me run that and show you. So here we have the output. Once I click the button, it will show it. So I need the visibility to be toggled, means once it is visible, we need to make it invisible, and once it is invisible, we need to make it visible. So for that, I'm gonna give an if condition over here, detail layout dot get visibility, which will tell you about the visibility of the layout, means the detail layout. So I'm checking whether it is visible or not. If it is visible, then I need to make it invisible, else I need to make it visible. So let me run it. So as you can see, once I click the button, it is showing and it is hiding, but there is no animations. So for the animation, I'm just gonna put an attribute, an XML attribute in the linear layout tag, that is animate layout changes. I'm gonna set it to true, and it will auto animate the layouts. So you can see. So once I click it, you can see it is nicely animating. Click back, it will animate again. If you want to animate, you can put this attribute in your layout, so it will animate for you. You don't want to do anything in the Java part, you don't want to write any code in the Java part, so it is very simple animation. Just with this one attribute, you can animate your layout.